Welcome to NBGI class at subject history. Today's topic: how did affect the British rule in the Tribbles League. Tribbles League. The leaves of the Tribbles group changing when the British came in India in a British rule. Firstly, what happened to the tribal chief? Tribal chief. Before the arrival of the British, we have seen in many areas the tribal chief are important people. They enjoy all the certain amount of economic power, had to write the administration system also and control their territories. इसके अलावा वो अपनी टेरिटरीज को भी क्या करते थे, कंट्रोल करते थे. एंड इन सम दे आर ओन द पुलिस own their police and decide the local rules also. Show the many are functions and powers to the tribal chief. When the British came in India, they are seeing the many changes also, that because he control all over the areas and he control all the economic policy, and he take all the land and decided the tax on the land. The present chief gave the tax to the British government also, and he was not enough power. Decline of the chief power, tribal chief power also he was not to enough authority to enjoy all over the powers. Next, we have said what happened for the shifting cultivator. In the previous class, I have tell you that what is the shifting cultivator. Shifting cultivators who move one place to another place and decided the one patches of land for the agriculture. He cut the trees and scraps and burn and work cultivation work 1 or 2 years, and then goes to the other place and decided the patches is called to shifting cultivators. Shifting cultivators mostly found in the East India, Northeast and the Central India, in MP and Jharkhand also. So the British was uncomfortable with the group who moved one place to another place. He was settled down in a one place and as a work as a present cultivators. Settled because the settle in a one place was easier to control by the British. ब्रिटिश का कंट्रोल करना एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम. Then to one place to move another place also show he gave the land and work as a present, but he was not fulfill our need because he was not to work to increase the fertility of soil. So he was dry, not use the high yields, so the crop is very little grow, ठीक है, बहुत कम होती थी. So he was not fulfill our needs, जिसके कारण वो अपनी आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति भी नहीं कर पाते थे. Not fulfill our needs and not to his religious work under the British government. So he got protest against the British government and he faced many troubles. Lastly, the British government he gave the patches on the land and work and found the food with the forest also, and he was work for own. Thank you.